You don't need to say anything to feel confident. Sometimes your body already knows how. This technique is simple, but it can change your state in seconds. Think of someone who radiates confidence. It could be someone you know or a public figure. Imagine how they move, how they sit, how they breathe. Now try to embody that. Take on that posture, head, chest, spine, shoulders, breath. This is not acting, this is physiology. Your body sends messages to your nervous system and your brain listens. Confidence is already within you and you can consciously access it, shape it, strengthen it, use it. You may not feel it instantly, but when your body starts to say, "I can," your inner response begins to shift. Try it before a call, before an interview, before a conversation. Stand up, shift your posture, notice what happens inside. This is BreathingWay. See you tomorrow.